Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will continue our second lesson, Knowing Windows. Please listen the class carefully. Taskbar. It is the long bar at the bottom of the desktop. It's very important. It has a start button, quick launch bar, system tray, and show desktop button. It's also important. It also shows the icons of currently opened running program. So you can see the picture, taskbar and quick launch bar. Quick launch bar. This launches an application quickly. You can open the respective application by single clicking on its icon on the quick launch bar. System tray. It displays the current date and time. You can see the current date and time. Show desktop button. This button minimizes all the open programs and display the desktop. Setting date and time. The date and clock on your computer keep good time, but you might have to provide the correct date and time for your location. To set the date and time on your computer, step 1. Right click the date and time display on the taskbar and then choose adjust date time from the shortcut menu. Click the change date and time button. Step 3. Enter a new time in the time field. You can see the picture. Step 4. If you wish, click on the new date in the calendar display and click OK. Can you see this picture? This is changing the date and time. Shortcut menu. Using the shortcut menus, you can quickly edit an object or data by choosing commands directly from the shortcut menu. Also, a context menu or contextual menu. To display shortcut menu, right click and control click an object or an area to see a list of commands. Words to remember. File is a collection of data stored on a storage device. Folder is a place where one or more files are stored. Accessories contain applications that make your work easy and fast. This is your today's homework. You can write and learn this in your copy. Okay. Now the exercise parts. A parts. Answer the following questions. Name some common version of Windows 7. Let's see. Please note down the answer. This is the answer. Some common version of Windows 7. First answer is this: Windows 7 Home Premium, Windows 7 Professional, Windows 7 Ultimate. Okay. Question 2. Write down the steps used to create a folder. Write down the step to create a folder. Please note down creating a folder. These steps, step 1, okay, up to step 4, second answer. Question number 3. Write down the step to rename a file or folder. Note down rename a file or folder. This is the third one. Fourth question. How can you select multiple files or folders? Note down these 2 points. You can write the third answer. Multiple file or folder. Fifth question. Write down the step to move and copy a file or folder. Fifth question. Note down copy or move a file or folder. This is the fifth answer. Copy a file or folder. This answer. Up to 4 steps. Question B. Multiple choice questions. Tick the right answer. First question. The desktop of Windows 7 has many dash used to open various programs, files and folders. Answer tick. Icons. Collection of many files is called folder. Dash means changing the name of an existing file or folder. Answer is rename. Renaming. Fourth is to select all non-adjacent file or folder, hold the control key. Paint, WordPad and Notepad etc. are windows used to dash quite option. Accessories. Dash necessary in Windows used to create the edit text file using basic text formatting. Answer is Notepad. Dash accessory of in Windows used to edit a text document advanced formatting. Answer is Notepad. Now fill in the blanks. I'll give you the answer in this. Fill up. Okay. You can see Windows 7 is developed by the company. First answer Microsoft. Windows 7 uses dash to perform various operations. Second answer GUI. Third, window has many types that are called versions. A folder may have one or more files in it. Files may be created in all dash in Windows. Answer is programs. Files or folder can be copied in different locations. Dash in Windows 7 help us to perform various tasks easily and quickly. Answer is accessories. Up to 7 answer. You got it. Okay. Clear. Once again I am repeating. First answer Microsoft. Second GUI. Third versions. Fourth files. Fifth programs. Sixth locations. Seventh accessories. Okay children. Now you move. Next activity. That is just activity only. Join the first letter of each word together to form some useful MS Windows accessories and write anyone use of every necessary. They already show the picture and take one first letter and you can make MS accessory and write any use of accessory. You can see W, O, R, D. You can see first letter. W, O, R, D, P, A. D, P, A, I, N, T. And you will get two words. What is that word? I will give you. Answer is right answer. Answer you write W O R D, WORD PAD, Wattpad. Okay, that is so necessary. And the second picture you can see doll, pot and ice cream, nose and train. That first letter we joined. D already completed, Wattpad already doll completed, P pot we start, P A I N T, paint. This up to doll we completed, Wattpad, and we start from this pot, we will get to this paint. Okay children, your second lesson completed now. Exercise parts also completed and you can revise nicely. Read the lesson carefully, question answers and all, and learn it. Thank you and have a nice day.